Trina Boyd. I wanted to do a video and talk about what my actual business is because I do have several businesses and kind of like how I got started with that. So before I get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. My name is Trina Boyd. I'm the founder of Women in Power, where we empower, encourage, and educate women who are in business. We educate you on how to start a business and how to prosper your business. So let's get into this video. So the first thing I want to talk about is my actual business, what I do. So I have several businesses. I have been a full-time entrepreneur for 9 years. I could not believe it. When I was drawing up my speech for one of my events that I was doing, I came across, I was like, it's been 9 years since I've worked for anyone. So yay to me. But anyways, so the way I got started was 9 years ago. I was going through a divorce, and when I was moving, I was still working. I was working from home, but I was moving to a different state. So the state that I was moving to with the job, they informed me that I could not, I think they said I couldn't work in that state. So basically I was fired. So at that moment I was really, really upset. And at that time I was like, I don't want anyone to have to tell me how much money I can make, when I can make it. I don't want to have someone to just tell me I'm fired and my money is cut off. And at that particular time, because I was a single parent moving, I was really, really passionate about that, because I knew at that time my children had to be taken care of, and I was the one who was going to be, have to do that. So I started brainstorming about something that I can do, from home, because I still wanted to be with my children. And then I thought about what my passion was. So at that time, my passion was children. I love children, and I always wanted to do a daycare. So what I did, I actually started a home daycare in Georgia, now near the Atlanta area. And I actually was able to fill up pretty quickly within the month, and I was doing pretty well, to where less than a year later, I would say even less than 6 months later, I was actually opening up a daycare center. So I was really excited about that. And then after that, I did meet someone, and he was in the military, he was in the Army, and I ended up moving to where he was stationed, and I opened up, of course, another home daycare. So that's how my story of getting into children. I actually opened up a home daycare, then another daycare, an actual center in Fayetteville, and then from there, my current now husband was retiring from the military. So at that time, I had been burnt out with children and childcare, so I was just like, let me just do something that I'm passionate about, I know how to do, and then I filled a need within the community. So I am in Charlotte, so one of the things that I noticed when we were actually trying to determine if we were going to move to Charlotte or not, I noticed there was a gap in childcare, and it still is, but one of the things that I did notice that we didn't have any reliable babysitting agencies, because me and my husband we love date nights. So I do believe strongly, heavily in date nights, and married people should date each other while they're married. So this is where my company, Babysitters of Charlotte, came about. We have been in business for about 5 or 6 years, going on 6 years, and we're still in business, and we are doing great. We branched off we do date nights, we do hotel babysitting stems from when we were here visiting, and we didn't have any reliable babysitting agencies for hotel babysitting, and people need hotel babysitters, especially if they're on business, if they are, here just for leisure or whatever it is. Sometimes you have to bring your children, and then you want something that's more dependable. I didn't let the other company where you can, screen your own babysitters. I don't want to say their name, but you can screen your own babysitters. I didn't think that was reliable, because a lot of people on there aren't reliable. So I wanted to have something that was reliable, some quality, because these people will be watching my children as well. So this is where Babysitters of Charlotte was birthed. We are now we're on a national level. We branched off into a corporation where we also do backup care for corporations now. So that's one of my businesses. That's my passion. Babysitters of Charlotte, Babysitters Inc. is more so of a passion that is generating revenue for our company. I also have Women in Power. It's not a really not a business, but it's more so of a gift that God has given me to help inspire and encourage women who are in business or wanting to start a business. So it comes natural to me, so that's how I know it's a gift. Ideas come natural to me. God gives me ideas to even help, women when I'm coaching. A lot of the times is coming from the Spirit, Holy Spirit. So, but yeah, so that's my nonprofit part. Um, what else do? So I also have a call center, at home call center. So I do a lot, but right now I'm really focused on my backup care through Babysitters Inc., partnering with corporations on a national scale and local scale to be able to provide backup care for families and employees. The child care is actually a babysitter coming to your home. They're already licensed. They're pre-screened. We've interviewed them. They have a background check. They've probably already been working for our company already. And then we're reliable, dependable, and I pride myself in that with backup care. So that's where our main focus has been with Babysitters Inc. Through backup care, through corporations, and then of course Babysitters of Charlotte, because I still want to be able to fulfill my passion of helping people who are coming into town, hotel babysitting, and also event childcare. We do events. We do weddings through Babysitters of Charlotte. We do weddings, events. We do a lot of babies. We do church babysitting. So we do a lot of babysitting for Babysitters of Charlotte and also Babysitters Inc. So what else do I do? So, and I think that's pretty much it. If you are watching this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, if you could go to our Facebook page, Women in Power, go to that page and like our page. But not only like our page, invite all of your friends to like our page. It's only going to take 60 seconds to do so. We are building our following on Facebook. I just want to thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you watch my previous videos. If you are a woman in business, trying to build your business or start a business, make sure you watch our videos. Thank you for watching.